Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I am bringing you another unboxing and initial review of some hair that I purchased from an Ally Express vendor by the name of Xcsunny official store. Now, as you can see, I did receive in my box a wig cap and also some lashes. Now guys, this hair is described as Afro Kinky curly wig with bangs. It is a foam machine made wig and it has a scalp top. This wig is 200 density and it's 18 inches. Now additionally, this wig does have the adjustable straps and it also has some comb clips. So guys, I just wanted to give you a closer view of what the wig looks like out of the box and on my canvas head. So this is the hair after it's been washed and conditioned and detangled. So guys, as beautiful as the natural curl pattern is on this hair, I wanted a different curl pattern. So I opted to do a twist out on this hair. So I'm going to show you a little bit of that process, but I'm also showing you what the natural curl pattern looks like on this wig once it's defined with a little bit of product. So I'm just showing you guys how much hair I lost once I completed the twist out process. So guys, this is a lot of hair. I actually had to let this hair dry for 2 days before I went and unraveled my twist out. So I'm just showing you that process and what the curls looked like after. So guys, here we are. I am just fluffing the hair up. So guys, this is the final look after the twist out and a huge amount of cutting. So this is what it was looking like, guys. Okay guys, so I am just going to quickly give you the specs on this hair and my final thoughts on this hair as well. So really quickly, this hair was purchased from an Ally Express vendor during the 11/11 sale, and I spent about 150 Canadian dollars on this hair. Now the vendor's name is Xcsunny official store, and this wig is a Afro Kinky curly bang wig. It's 200 density and it's 18 inches long. Now guys, I have cut off a lot of hair, 18 inches stretched. I cut off quite a bit of this hair, and we'll get to that in a moment. So just in terms of my initial thoughts and reviews, when I first received the hair and I unboxed it, I did receive a scent, like a very slight scent. It smelled more like plastic, like a plasticky scent. That scent quickly dissipated once I washed and conditioned this hair. So it was nothing pungent, it was nothing that lingered. It was quickly addressed with a simple wash and conditioning of the hair. Now this hair had very minimal shedding, which I was very impressed with. So during my wash and detangling process, it did not shed much at all. There was more shedding during the styling process, and that's to be expected because I was highly manipulating the hair. I was going through section by section and combing and detangling and all of that stuff. So there was a bit more shedding during that process, but nothing to be alarmed with. Guys, this hair is really soft. There's no lace front closure or frontal on this hair, but there is some lace on the top, which does give it more of a natural look. It's kind of weird though, because they put something else there and it gives it like this scratchy, noisy, I don't know what to describe that as, but yeah, that was a little bit off-putting, but not a big deal. It looks natural at the top, so that's great, guys. Now this hair is extremely full. If I were to purchase this hair again, I probably would not go for the 200 density. I don't need this much hair. It's a lot of hair to work with. I would probably go down to 180, possibly even 150, because with this curly kinky hair, it's a lot of hair. So that's just something to keep in mind if it's something that you are interested in. Now guys, getting to the styling, completely my fault. I tried to over style this hair and it backfired on me. I went in, I tried to do a twist out when I should have just defined the curls and came to you with the review, but instead, no, I wanted to do a twist out. I did the twist out using a product that I hate for my own natural hair. And I hate it even more on this wig because it ended up leaving a ton of residue. It was so heavy, it was sticky. It was just a mess. Like the curls came out great, so I know that this hair curls perfectly fine. There's no issues with that, but the product sucked. And then after that, I had to go in and cut up the hair. So in doing that, I had to manipulate the hair, which resulted in a lot of frizz, which resulted in me continuing to cut, and ending up with the hair being much shorter than I had originally planned, but such is life. I mean, there's still so many things I can do with this hair. I probably will wear it in a pineapple, like up like that. So guys, when you mess up or something doesn't work, I mean, there's always ways to fix things. So I'm not throwing my $150 down the drain so easily, no guys. And I will wash, just redefine the curls and put it aside and see if I like it even more. So for the purposes of this video, because I wanted to get it out, guys, and I no longer like the twist out. The curls were beautiful, but the frizz just took over. And I do like a little bit of frizz in my kinky curly hair because it looks more natural, but it was just too much. So I had to go in and just spritz the hair down, and then I added with water, I should say, and then I added some of this product, which is a Beyond the Zone product, and I also went in with some of this, which is also a Beyond the Zone product. So these two together, it kind of brought the hair back to its original curl pattern, which I'm not mad at. It still has a lot of frizz because it needs to be washed and redefined, but I'll do that later. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this hair. I mean, the hair is beautiful. It's worth the price. I don't have any complaints. It's exactly what I was looking for, and it came through, guys. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Now this hair is not, for the faint of heart. This is big curly hair. It's more of a statement. It's definitely more of a vibe. And yeah, I mean, it's giving me that, like, I don't care, big hair don't care, curly afro hair don't care type of vibe, and it's giving me that, oh, can I touch your hair? No, it's giving me that type of vibe, like, and I do like that. It's different. It's not your typical, like I said, straight, deep wave type of hair, body wave type of hair. So yeah, it's just a whole vibe. But let me know what you guys think of this hair, guys, and also make sure that you leave your comments and feedback or anything in the comments. I really enjoy reading comments. I really enjoy that, guys, and I really appreciate everybody's support. Again, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, any feedbacks, leave them in the comment section. Become part of the Karen by Design family. Guys, you know what I'm gonna say, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you've watched this video for more than 2 minutes, make sure you subscribe. If you are a returning viewer and you have not subscribed, shame on you. Make sure that you subscribe. Guys, until my next video, bye.